Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel. Now that you've created your YouTube channel, it's time to make it stand out. One of the best ways to do this is by creating some channel art that represents your brand. Today I'll show you how to create profile photos, channel banners, and watermark and thumbnails using Canva. Since I'm an iPhone user, I will show you step by step how to use the Canva app from my iPhone. It should be almost identical for an Android user. Please leave a comment if you know the difference between both of them. To start, we should obtain the Canva app from the App Store. After that, we will create a Canva account by utilizing the Google account previously made for the YouTube channel, as it's the simplest method for registration. First step. Let's make some profile photos. Go to the search text box on top and type in YouTube profile photo. There are many templates ready for you to use and modify. You can use the filters function to narrow down to the area you're interested in. Let's try to filter for something related to YouTube. I still prefer simplicity. Let's start from scratch using Create Blank option. Personally, I believe simple is the best for the audience to focus on the content. Let's choose a color for the picture background. I prefer black. Now, let's add in our brand by inserting a text box and typing in our channel name. Choose the font that you prefer. This looks okay. Let's change the font size to a bigger size and move the text box to the top. Highlight the text bar and select the plus button to duplicate the text box. Repeat the process, this time I want the font to be in yellow. Now, resize the text box to the right size. There are tons of font selections to choose from. I found that I like NATO serif. Let's edit the text to the correct channel name now. Now, let's align it towards the center of the box. The design seems boring. Let's add in some shapes and see if it turns out better. It is under the Elements tab. Let's resize, reposition, and change the transparency of the shape to allow the audience to see the channel name. Make some final adjustments and we are done. Let's export it by pressing the Share button on the top right. Followed by Download, and it will save your profile photo to the Camera Roll folder in your Photos app. Using the default PNG file type is okay. Let's check in the iPhone Photo app if the export was successful. Yes, it is there. Let's move on to the next task. Now, we want to work on the channel banner. Similarly, go to the search text box on top and type in YouTube channel banner. Browse through, I like this blue one. Let's take this and modify it. Let's change the blue background to black first. Let's change the wording to match with our channel name as well. Now change the main pattern from blue color to maybe gray tone. We can always play around with the saturation and contrast to get our preferred result. Personally, I always use strong contrast. I found it has a cinematic feel when deeper contrast is selected. Next, I would like my font color to be black. Next, I want to have some stripe design on it. Let's get a rectangle from the element library and amend it. Okay, let's see how I work on the rest of the small details. After the final check, and now I'm okay with the banner, let's export it by pressing the share button on the top right. Followed by download, and it will save your profile photo to the camera roll folder in your Photos app. Using the default PNG file type is okay. That's all for today's step-by-step tutorial. I will continue with the end screen picture and thumbnail in the next video. I hope you liked today's video. Remember to subscribe and like to stay tuned with my latest videos.